Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to organize your folder by color in Google Drive. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Chrome browser. Then next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Google Apps. Then click on Drive right here. It's going to take you to the Google Drive homepage right here. So you have different folders right here. Then you can easily come to my Drive right here from the sidebar. Click on my Drive. So having opened up my Drive, you have all folders that you have in your Drive right here. Let's say, for instance, this particular folder right here, we want to change the folder color. So what we want to do is to right click on the folder. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on Organize. So right here we have different color right here. We can decide to organize this by color green. So right here. So if I click on it, everything in the folder is going to open up right here. So we have folder in the folder. We can right click here also and then go ahead and go to organize. We can change this particular color to something like this, just like so. You can go on and then change different folder to different colors. So like this one right here, this particular Google AI, I can right click on it, then go to organize. Then we can change this one color to something like this. It's that simple. So you can go on and rearrange the folder and drag another part. So you can see I was able to drag this particular folder. So you can drag this one right here. So just drag. So it's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.